Okay, so when we did the puzzle box of this and weighed these out and got this slider to open here, it brought us over here, and to get this little plastic arrow piece out, you had to open this switch to get these out of the way. So that was stuck in there. And we got it, and you put it like that. And as you go, there's minus and negative and plus these little symbols, which give you those numbers. So then what popped open, this button pushed open. And as you can see, these sliders push these open, different levels. And now I think we're on the clock. Oh, something fell out. It was just the plastic piece. So now we're on this clock.
You're gonna need that.
She said I'm gonna need this. Can I turn the clock? Oh, I can turn that stuff on the inside. A little plastic.
You wanna move that stuff?
I did, so it's all out of the way, and I can see some symbols on the inside. This is why I keep flashlights. Two arrows and little boxes pointing up.
Something should have, if you did it correctly, something should have released from above the clock.
Oh, hold on. Oh, come on. Yeah, I got a magnet. Aha, with symbols. And that worked brilliantly. Thanks, babe, giving me clues. Okay. Ugh. So I got, that would be 12. What symbols? Those little symbols. It's like an hourglass with part of that. 3. Okay, so these. Yeah, because the hourglass, the X, these each little wooden things have. Oh boy. Okay, so. But how do I. Oh wait. Does the magnet. And that was in there. Does that help unlock anything? Do this again?
No.
But the little symbols on here. So 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is this one. It's magnetic. Okay.
This is where I say that. This is why I say, hey, you need a
Pen and paper. Yeah.
Because
So this one
on
goes.
that side, that corresponds with a different side.
I can tell.
So, nope. You're getting your clue from the clock side.
Yeah, there's question marks with an arrow going back, over, back, and arrows always pointing that way. So these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 symbols. One is at 11, one is at 3, one is at 6, and one is at 9. So would I do it in order of those and click the buttons? These each have this thing has this for symbols on here. Am I clicking the buttons in this order? Like 11. And then a magnet. I like how other pieces that you find, like this was the first piece, the scale that went on here, actually to get that next piece with the clock. Pretty cool. It's definitely harder than the Blackbeard's compass one, I'll tell you that. It's definitely a level 4 puzzle.
So yeah, you're basically doing the same thing. You're seeing which ones are the greater or less than, but you have to, yeah, you gotta use these things.
Yeah, you gotta press the buttons in the right order?
To find out which one is, yeah.
Do I need to wind it up so it lights up?
Uh-huh. Well, for this section is what you're doing again.
Yeah. Alright, so that does have magnet. Oh, and I can turn the little... Okay. Alright. So see the plastic inside there turning? Okay. So I think I need to set those to the times, and then it will light up. Alright, there's an 11. This is tricky. I gotta fix them, but is there 3 of them or 2? Okay, there's just 2.
Mm-hmm.
Or no, there's 3. Oh no, it's just 2. There's plastic in there that spin around. I think I gotta put those to the times that this thing says. So I need one at 11 and 6 and one at 3 and 9. And then it might tell me which order to press those in. So let's move this. Oh, there are 3 blades in there. So then, let me wind it up. Ow. Okay, so first one would be 11, which would be that one. 3. 1, okay, and then hourglass. So, do I have to push all those at the same time? No, but I think I need to get these plastic wheels in here to move to the right times. Oh. So if I get those to the right times, I believe should unlock, right? And these will tell me, will these light up blue again?
And like, you're basically seeing what one's like heavier and stuff.
Right.
You have to do it from that order.
Oh my god. But I gotta get those plastic things lined up in the right time, right?
No.
No?
You have to move the actual clock.
Move the actual clock? I don't think I can. Hold on. I'm almost. I am pressing buttons now, so I gotta look at the symbols. Less than. Okay, so that will tell me which order to. That's tricky, man. So by each order of these, this will tell me, but I gotta. So what are the 4 symbols? The time.
You're cool.
Very cool. Whoa. So that's exactly okay. So and then these. That one goes to that one. This one goes to that one. That one goes to that one. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay, it says it here. Paper and pen will be coupled for something possible.
Right, but what are the 4 symbols? Okay, so this one and the X. So the circle is more than the X. Yeah, I smell that burnt rubber. The clock. Circle is more than X. And the clock is more than the X. Okay, and less than the square one is less than the clock. So it'd go clock. So is that one, that one. What about circle is less than, oh, more than that one though. Okay. So I'm figuring this out. It's a pain in the ass. But that does not mean I'm going to get this slider open. And you said I got to move the clock? But this one goes to that, that one goes to this, and this one goes to that. Okay, so. Almost. I had it too. Oh, open. Well, it's like locked in place now. Oh no, there we go. Ow. God damn. So first, second, and third wheel of plastic pointers inside the clock I gotta get lined up with. So clock versus square is more than. So then let's try X versus clock is more than. Circle versus X, more than. They're all more than, so that's not helping me. Okay. But it does give times on this little clue. So hourglass at 6. So I gotta keep spinning these plastic wheels inside until this unlocks. Where's the magnet? Well, it's kind of locked in place like that. Alright. You know what? Does this magnet work? Yeah. This one's a little easier to move those plastic. Are you just laughing at me because you know? You know the answer. There, that's 3 o'clock. There we go. I'm so close. Oh. What's fun is you can turn those little plastic wheels with this if you want. And I think it will eventually unlock the slider. Oh, we unlocked something we didn't know? Oh, this has a clock hand. Ah. Where did that come from? When we unlocked that?
When you did this.
Ah. Oh, right there. It opened that. I didn't see that. How and when did that open?
I just told you.
So that opened when you took this.
Stuck,
oh, that was in it.
That in
the keys way.
there,
I see.
It unlocked the clock hand. So, all right, I got you now. I'm picking up what it's putting down now. Gotcha.
I was wondering why I was trying to turn this clock with this or this. Well, I'm going to set it to 11.
Nope.
3. Oh, wait, I got to turn this. Yeah, okay, so now I have the gears on the inside turning correctly. 3 o'clock. That helps a lot. And I have to do it in the right order. And it told me which one was more and less of these symbols on here. Okay. So I think I want to go 11, 3, 6, 9. 11, 3, 6, 9. How about backwards? So I actually go from 11, 3 okay, so let's try this again. 11. I got it. What did that do? I got it. It slid open. But what did it do? Maybe something up here.
So you were able to move that slider from left to right?
Yeah, I moved it. Does it come out? Because it was 11, then 9, and I had the other. How fun. Did anything open? No. That's really cool. There was like a keyhole that once we pulled this out, the little clock hand came out of it. Hold on. No. Oh, I figured out what it did. It just gave me an arrow pointing to the clock again on this side with the buttons you push to light up the blue lights. See that? Yeah, wait.
You
Oh,
light it up green again.
turn it this way, that's what it's saying. So this one just opened after I got the clock open, the slider, let this slide over. And it's saying charge it this way. It's green again. Does this come out? We're getting places. Does this come out? No. Does this? Might be something up here. Nope.